Welcome back, it's SJ here, and today we're going to be making turkey bacon bits. All right, so I've taken what I have left of my turkey and I've cut it this direction, and now I'm going to cut it into small pieces going this way. Now naturally I can't do it holding my phone, so I'll come back after I got it all cut up. Now turkey bacon does not have a lot of fat because it's really lean. So I have added some oil, olive oil, to a skillet. We're gonna crisp it up. All right, I have all of it broken up to pieces. Usually you should just kind of not use as much bacon in the pan, but me, I'm just getting this over with. I did and put all this bacon in one whop. Try to thin it out as much as you can. I just wanted to get it over with because it has that freeze by date and we're getting real close to it. So I just figured, well, let's go ahead and make some bacon bits out of it. All right, as you can see, it's starting to crisp up, right? And then what I'll do is I'll take it off and then I'll drain all that fat. Turkey bacon, making it into turkey bacon bits.